Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Vistro. Today, I've got another video on how to fix the thumbnail not showing problem on Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10 and you're seeing something like this, where thumbnails are not showing for your folders, images, or videos, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to fix this issue quickly. It's a straightforward fix, but it can be quite annoying when you're not seeing thumbnail previews for your images and videos in your folders. So let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type WinVer, then click on it. This version check is very necessary because not all Windows versions have this thumbnail feature. However, it is available in most Windows 10 and Windows 11 versions. Mine is Windows 11 version 25H2. Next, let's go to Settings and make sure you have the latest Windows updates installed. Make sure Windows is fully updated, because Microsoft may have released a patch or bug fix that could resolve the thumbnail issue. Sometimes, these types of problems are caused by a temporary Windows bug, and installing the latest update can fix it. Next, go to the search box and type Disk Cleanup, then open the tool. Here, we want to clear the thumbnail cache. Make sure Thumbnails is checked. Next, click Clean Up System Files. Wait for the scan to finish, and the Disk Cleanup window will appear again. This time, make sure Thumbnails is still checked. You can uncheck the other options if you don't want to remove any additional files. Now click OK, then click Delete Files. Once the process is complete, check your folders to see if the thumbnails are showing again. If the problem is still there, don't worry. Let's move on to the next method. Next, open File Explorer and click on the three dots at the top. Then click Options to open the folder options. Go to the View tab. Here, look for Always Show Icons, never thumbnails. If this option is checked, Windows will not display thumbnails. Simply uncheck it, then click Apply and OK. Now, check your folders and images again. You should see the thumbnails appear. You can also click Restore Defaults if you've previously changed or tweaked your File Explorer settings. This will restore the settings to their default values. If your thumbnails are still not showing, let's move on to the next method. Next, go to the search box and type Advanced System Settings, then open it. This will open the System Properties window. Go to the Advanced tab, then click Settings under Performance. Here, you'll see several visual settings. If Show Thumbnails instead of Icons is unchecked, Windows may not display your thumbnails. Make sure this option is checked, then click Apply and OK. Once you uncheck Show Thumbnails instead of Icons, the thumbnails will disappear and Windows will only show the icons. So make sure this option is always checked if you want to see thumbnails. So I suggest you write the commands down or copy the second command before you start. Then you can type the first and third commands, just like I did. Go to Search. Inside the search box, type CMD and select Run as Administrator. This will open up the command prompt window. What we're going to do here is clear the thumbnail cache. I will leave the commands in the video description. And note that once you type the first command, File Explorer will shut down. So what we need to do first is close down File Explorer by typing this taskkill command here. This will close File Explorer. You'll see the screen go gray around the command prompt window. Then, we need to type out this big, long command here. This is going to delete the thumbnail cache database files. Just press Enter, and it will remove all of the database files. Once we've done that, we can restart File Explorer by typing start explorer.exe. You'll see the gray area around the outside disappear, and the desktop will come back. In case your video thumbnail is also missing, try these steps to resolve the issue using this software. So, simply go to your browser and download iCoros. This software can be downloaded as either a portable version or an installable version. I recommend downloading the software version. Click here and wait for the software to download. Once the download is complete, start by unzipping the setup folder. Then, open the main setup program. Press Continue. Now, go back to your apps and open iCoros to set it up. Press on this plus icon. Then, go ahead and locate the folder where the video thumbnails are not showing. Select your video file, and once it's added, you should see its thumbnail. Now, there's one more thing you need to do. Go back and make sure you activate this thumbnail area. Make sure it is active. Now, check your video file again, and you should see the thumbnail. If you're still having an issue with your images, and you've changed them but you're seeing something like this, then this is related to the file association. It's something totally different, but if you need to change it back, I'll show you quickly how to do it. As you can see, when you open your images, they're opening in a different application. So right-click on the image that you're having an issue with. Click Open With, and then choose another app. Now, choose the app that you want your images to open with, such as Photos or another image viewer. Then click Always. Now, your images will always open in that app. Now, if you're still having a few issues, you can run some other checks, like SFC Scan Now, to make sure there's no integrity issues with your operating system. So just open up a command prompt as administrator. Type SFC//scan now and run this on your computer. It will take a bit of time, but it should come back with a clean bill of health. If it comes back with some issues, hopefully it's fixed and rectified those integrity problems and violations, and it will fix those for you. And then hopefully, once you do your fixes, hopefully that has rectified your problem. So once you've got this done, you can come out of here now, and that should be it. You should be able to now see folder icons in your folders. Just make sure you're using one of the latest versions of Windows. If you're using a real old version, then you may not see folder icons at all, because it wasn't released back then. So just make sure you're using the latest version of Windows 10 and Windows 11. Anyway, that is about it for this video. Just a quick fix-it video. Kindly like and subscribe to Tech Vistro if this video helped you. See you in another one. Bye.